Alright, so we're going to do a array question. Remove duplicates from sorted array. So we know right off the bat we are going to be removing duplicates from a sorted array. So what does that look like? The input's going to be 1, 1, 2, and we're going to get 1, 2. So we're just going to remove one of these. So your function should return the length of that removing. And we have to do it in place, which means we can't make a new array. We have to mutate the current array. So with the hints, it says everything's sorted. So therefore you just have to just compare the next value with the next value, and if they're the same, you can go ahead and remove that. So therefore it's going to be the two-pointer approach. And the two-pointer approach is basically a while loop with 2 indexes. So with the first array we were given, it's going to become this. So we really want to check index I with index j, so we'll say, okay, this is equal, so we're going to splice I. Then if 1 and 2, then it's okay. Then we're just going to increase the index if it does not equal. So with the second example, so just like this. So we're going to be, so 0 is equal to 0, so we're going to splice one of them, or remove, right? So then 0 does not equal 1, so we're just going to increase our indexes as so. So then ij will move over just like that. So now it's not, so then we're going to remove it. It's still not, we're just going to remove one. Okay, so now they do not match up. I'm going to move it again. Okay, so they match now. I'm going to remove one. They do not match, so we're going to move up. They match. And there you go. Then we return the length. So what we're going to use is a while loop. So while loop, and while the greater index, which is going to be j equals 1, so while j is less than length, check if index is not the same as, check if index value is not the same as next value. If it's not, we can move up until end of length, return our length. So ready to start coding. Let's go ahead and set I equal to the first index, j equal to the next index. I'm going to set a while loop while j is less than nums.length. We're going to check if nums I is equal to nums j. If so, we're just going to go ahead and splice nums. So the first index is going to be the index we're splicing at. So we're going to splice at I. We're just going to take one of those values. Else, so if they are not the same, we're just going to go ahead and increment both. So we're going to look at the end of our for loop, return that length.